Hi, dear teacher. The next week will be my vacations, and I have many plans to enjoy together with my daughter. On Monday, November 8th, on 5 o'clock, we're going on a trip to Hacienda Nápoles in Doradal, Antioquia for 2 days. Mm, will travel overground by bus because it's cheaper. Tickets cost from 100,000 to 150,000 Colombian pesos. We will arrive around at 11 a.m. at the Doradal terminal. We plan to stay at the Maui Hotel for lunch, dinner, and overnight stay. On the journey, we'll check in at 12 p.m. and check out on Wednesday, November 10th at 12 p.m. We're going to relax that date in the hotel pool until night. The next day, we're going to get up early because we'll buy tickets to the park. Tickets are expensive. Each ticket costs 90,000 Colombian pesos. And we must buy 2 tickets. We have going to get to the park around at 9 in the morning. We're going by motor taxi to the Hacienda entrance. There we will take by bus to attractions in the park. We'll have breakfast at the park restaurant. Then we'll swim into the Jurassic pool between at 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. Later we'll go to lunch, to dinner, the restaurants, to the following to lunch, where visit the water dispensary of the Hacienda Nápoles because we want to know the hippo, especially Vanessa, the hippo of the park. Around 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. we will enjoy the Cataratas Victoria pools, and finally, on the bus stop, we will take the bus again to go back to the hotel. At night, we will take a comfort showers and go to the town of Doradal to know a little its peoples and enjoy the typical region's foods. Later, around 9 p.m., I like to go to bed On Wednesday, uh, we'll sleep late and we are going to relax. After breakfast, we will check out and take the bus back to Bogota. And so, how is my vacations plans? Thank you for your attention. Bye bye bye. Cheers.